Hi. So, continuing in the World Games series, we are now going to demonstrate how to play Hnefatafl. This is a game from Europe. It is basically called as the Gothic chess. So, we are right now unboxing this manual, and this is the board of this game. This is made from teak wood. So this is the board for the game Hnefatafl, which is also called as the Gothic chess. So in this we have the king at the center of the board, and the king has his defenders, 12 of them. So these are all the brown colored pawns, which are the defenders, and these are the attackers. There are 24 of them spread across the board in the four corners, edges of the board. So they are all red colored, as you can see. So in this game, the pawns have to move only vertically, just like rooks in chess. They can't move diagonally anywhere. So it can move only along the lines, along the rows or the columns. For example, this can move over here, or this can move over here, and it can't jump over another player. Like this can't jump over this one and get placed here. So this has to, the last position is this one, that it can come over. So this can come like this. That's the movement part of these pawns. So even these pawns also can move horizontal along the row or the column only. Now, a piece can be captured by sandwiching it like this. So if this is sandwich between the two attackers, and this one is captured like that. In a sense, say this is the sandwich, then this can be captured like that. The attackers try to capture the defenders, and the defenders try to capture the attackers. So the objective is to take out the king. So here the objective is to capture the king for the attackers. So if the attackers have sandwiched the king without any place to move for the king, then the defenders have been defeated by the attackers. So this is one of the ways of winning the game. So capturing the pieces, there are more ways of capturing the pieces. Say for example, if this one is sandwiched between the corner position and the opponent, then this can be taken out. Okay, and vice versa, even this can be taken out. So the defenders win when the king manages to escape to a corner of the board. So in this scenario, the defenders led by the king has defeated the attackers. Alternatively, if all the attackers have been captured by the defenders, then also the defenders have defeated the attackers and they have won the game. So let's see a gameplay, in the sense how this can be played. So say I keep it here, then the attacker takes position here, then this can be defended like this. Another comes over here, and here can be captured. So this can come over here, and while this prepares to capture this, so another comes and captures the attacker. So again, this is defending here, this one, and this can defend this. So this can come over here and then capture this one, while this one can come over here and capture this one. Again, this can come over and capture this. So see, in a sense, the game can progress very quickly when you have a lot of these options. So Okay, so this is an invalid move because you're basically you're not supposed to commit suicide like this one. Instance, you can't come in between this one and then that automatically means you are killed over here. So this is not a valid move. So say I keep it. So the king has been captured by the attackers, and the attackers have won the game.